Hello, hi, and welcome to our YouTube channel, NCERT Maths Classes. I, Priyansh Rai, welcome all of our viewers and subscribers to our channel. Today, we are going to study NCERT Chapter 1 of Class 10 Science, Chemical Reaction and Equation. In this, we are going to study some specific topics like chemical reactions, chemical equations, and their types. So, let's start. Now let's start with our first title, that is chemical reaction. What is a chemical reaction? Chemical reaction is the process in which two or more substance or particles react to form a new substance with a new chemical properties. Let's understand with this an example. Have you seen your mother have set a curd? It is a chemical change. The chemical equations. What are chemical equations? Chemical equations are shorthand written chemical reactions with some specific symbols, formulas, and the ratio of the particles. And now we are going to start the third and the last title of our video, that is types of chemical reactions. Here you can see the flowchart of chemical reactions. First, natural reactions are on the left hand side, and on the right hand side there are the reactions on the basis of heat transfer. So first, on the natural process, first is combination reaction. Second one is decomposition reaction. Third one is displacement. Fourth one is double displacement, and fifth and last one is redox. Redox reaction contains two types of reaction, that is reduction reaction and oxidation reaction. Now, on the basis of transfer of heat, there are two types of reactions. First one is endothermic and second one is exothermic. Now, we are going to start the first type of reaction, that is combination reaction. What is a combination reaction? A combination reaction is a reaction in which two or more substances combine to form another substance with a new chemical property. Let's see an example. Calcium oxide plus water will give us calcium hydroxide. In this, these two are reactants which are getting react with each other and giving a new product. So it is a product. There are many more examples in our daily life. We drink water. Water is also an example of combination reaction. In water, there are two elements, that is oxygen and hydrogen. Oxygen and hydrogen combines in a ratio of 1:8 to give a particle of water. Now the second example is carbon dioxide. In the carbon dioxide, two reactants, that is carbon and oxygen, react to form carbon dioxide. Now we are going to study third type of reaction, that is displacement reaction. Displacement reaction is the reaction in which one atom or a group of atom is replaced with the another atom or the group of atom. Let's see an example. Here CuSO4, that is copper sulfate, plus Fe, that is iron, will give iron sulfate or FeSO4 and copper, that is Cu. Now we are going to study fourth type of reaction, that is double displacement reaction. In this reaction, one or two group of atom replace with another group of atom to exchange their corresponding ions. In this reaction, we are not changing ion, but in double displacement reaction, we are going to change ions and to form two different kind of atom. Let's see the example. AgNO3 plus NaCl will give you AgCl plus NaO3. Now we are going to study fifth type of reaction, that is redox reaction. Redox reaction comprises of two types of reaction, that is reduction and oxidation. Reduction and oxidation is the process of gaining or losing oxygen. In reduction means being reduced. So in this reaction, a molecule or a substance is going to lose its oxygen, and in oxidation reaction the element is going to have oxygen particle. Let's see the example. In this, CuO plus H2O will give Cu and H2O. In this, CuO is comprising one particle of oxygen and H2O comprises no, means zero particles. When we give heat, then copper is formed and some particle of oxygen. So here copper is formed, it is not having its oxygen, so it is being reduced, means reduction is going in CO and Cu. Now in H2O and H2, it is having no oxygen. When it is being produced, it comprises one particle of oxygen, so it is being oxidized, means oxidation reaction takes place in water. Now we see the next types of reaction on the basis of heat being introduced by the two reactions that are on the basis of transfer of heat. First one is endothermic, second one is exothermic. In endothermic reaction, it is the reaction in which we apply heat to being decomposed or break down into two or more particles. Likewise, in exothermic reaction, it is a reaction which it has been done. It produced some heat energy, like being hot or getting some flame. In endothermic reaction, it has an example of CaCaO3. When we give heat, it breaks down into two substances, that is CaO plus CO2. In exothermic reaction, it has an example of CH4 plus two particles of O2 will give CO2 plus two particles of H2O, that is water, and give heat in the form of energy. If you like this video, you can give comment, or for any doubt you can also comment us. If you like this video, please like and do subscribe our channel, that is Raisal Maths Classes. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram with the following name. On Facebook we are on Priyansh Coaching Classes, and on Instagram that is Raisal Maths Classes. Thank you.